Welcome to a video series on mathematical statistics. This is going to be a course, so we're going to do a bunch of lectures. There's going to be textbook readings and then exercises like homeworks and also exam problems. We're going to work through the textbook All of Statistics by Wassermann. And I think the plan is, at least right now, not to skip any of the sections or chapters. So, topics that we will cover eventually include probability, random variables, expectation, inequalities, convergence theorems, statistical models and inference, estimating the CDF, the bootstrap method, parametric inference, hypothesis testing, Bayesian inference, decision theory, linear and logistic regression, multivariate models, inferences about independence, causal inference, directed and undirected graphs, log linear models, non-parametric estimation, smoothing classifications, stochastic processes, and simulation methods. The prerequisites for this, at least to begin with, would be introductory statistics, calculus, and I don't think, it would be good if you have seen discrete mathematics before this class, but I don't know that, especially in the early lessons, that'll be an absolutely essential prerequisite. So anyway, at least as far as I know, these are the core prerequisites, possibly this. So if you get into the course and find that you're not understanding things, it might be good to first do discrete math. But then later on, especially when we get to multivariable topics, then linear algebra will become necessary.